स्वागत है आप सबका स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो वीडियो को अच्छा लगे तो जरूर लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन द कलर टू टेल लाइट इन अ कार इज रेड। द टू क्वांटिटीज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर स्पेसिफाइंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक वायर आर द डायमीटर एंड नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रैंड्स। ठीक है। द टाइप ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टर यूज्ड फॉर ऑटोमोबाइल हेडलैम्प इज पैराबोलिक। तो इसमें क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, पैराबोलिक टाइप ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टर यूज्ड फॉर ऑटोमोबाइल डैश लैम्प। तो आंसर इज हेडलैम्प। इन एन हेडलैम्प द मेटल शील्ड इज प्लेस्ड बिलो द डीपर बीम। क्लियर? फॉर एमिंग द हेडलाइट्स the distance between the headlights and the screen should be 7.6 meters. In modern vehicles, the headlight dimming switch is mounted on steering column. The three components of primary ignition circuit are the contact breaker, the ignition switch and the condenser. ठीक है? The components of secondary ignition circuit include the secondary winding for ignition coil, distributor rotor, distributor cap and spark plug. The primary winding of ignition coil consists of a few turns of thick wire. अगर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग आ गया, जैसे कि द सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग ऑफ इग्निशन कॉइल कंसिस्ट ऑफ, तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? मैनी टर्न्स ऑफ थिन वायर, क्योंकि सेकेंडरी में नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स रहेंगे वो ज्यादा रहेंगे एंड प्राइमरी में नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स रहेंगे वो कम रहेंगे। ठीक है। कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर पॉइंट्स आर जनरली मेड ऑफ टंगस्टन। द ड्वेल इज द टाइम फॉर विच द पॉइंट्स रिमेन क्लोज। क्योंकि ड्वेल पे हमने टॉम सॉम में पढ़ा होगा, ड्वेल पे लाइन एकदम जीरो जैसा होता है। क्लियर? इसके लिए यहाँ पे रिमेन क्लोज, तो एक ध्यान में रखिए। एक्सेसिव कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर गैप रिजल्ट्स इन एडवांस टाइमिंग। तो इस पे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, एक्सेसिव कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर डैश रिजल्ट इन एडवांस टाइमिंग। तो एक्सेसिव कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर गैप। ठीक है। द स्पार्क अकर्स व्हेन द इंक्रीज ड्वेल। क्लियर? कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर पॉइंट्स आर ओपन्ड बाय द कैम एंड क्लोज्ड बाय द स्प्रिंग टेंशन। इसमें क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, dash breaker points are opened by the cam and closed by the spring tension. The answer is contact breaker. ठीक है। The dwell angle on a 6-cylinder engine compared to a 4-cylinder engine is less. ठीक है। तो इस पे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, the dwell angle on a 6-cylinder engine compared to a dash cylinder engine is less. The answer is 4-cylinder engine. या फिर क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, the dwell angle on a dash cylinder engine compared to the 4-cylinder engine is less. The answer is 6-cylinder engine. The contact breaker gap is set most accurately by means of a dwell meter. ठीक है। जो भी गैप होगा कॉन्टेक्ट ब्रेकर में और किससे सेट किया जाता है? ड्वेल मीटर से। The contact breaker gap should be set after adjusting dwell angle. The capacity of an automotive engine condenser is approximately 0.2 mf. The ratio of distributor shaft and the crankshaft speed is 1/2. The centrifugal advance mechanism provides ignition advance proportional to engine speed. Vacuum advance mechanism operates at light engine load. ठीक है। The ignition timing can be adjusted by a stroboscopic light. ठीक है। तो इस एग्जाम में ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, stroboscopic light can be adjusted by, that is ignition timing. The commonly used material for insulator of spark plug is alumina. Compared to the life of a spark plug of 2-stroke engine, the spark plug life of a 4-stroke engine is approximately 1/2. ठीक है। The spark may be fouled by petrol, lead, oil. So answer is all of the above, that is A, B and C. Spark plug having white insulator tip indicates over advanced ignition. A spark plug with a black center insulator indicates stuck up choke wall in the carburetor. A semiconductor is a material with exactly 4 electrons in its outermost orbit. Clear? N-type semiconductor material is obtained by doping with antimony. Two types of semiconductors are P and N-type. Current will flow through a diode when it is connected in forward bias. ठीक है? A Zener diode is used for voltage regulation. A transistor consists of a base, that is emitter and collector. So कैसे याद रखना है? BEC. Clear? The transistor is controlled by the current at the base. The ignition coil in an inductive electronic ignition system is triggered on and off by means of a timer. A pulse generator consists of permanent magnet, reluctor and time coil. The most accurate timer for an electronic ignition system is Hall effect switch. तो Hall effect switch बहुत ही अच्छा switch है. Clear? The number of ignition coil in a distributor-less ignition system for 6-cylinder engine is 3. The color of positive plate of a lead-acid battery is brown. The color of negative plate of a lead-acid battery is gray. The positive plate of a lead-acid battery has PbO2. The battery electrolyte consists of approximately by volume. तो 34% सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड 65% वाटर. तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है, बैटरी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली बाय वॉल्यूम डैश परसेंटेज ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड डैश परसेंटेज ऑफ वाटर. तो आंसर इज 34% सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड 65% वाटर. To increase output voltage, battery cells are connected in series. The capacity of a battery is determined by the number of plates per cell and size of plates. A maintenance-free battery has a lead calcium plate grid. The number of positive plates in a battery cell is one less than the negative plate. याद रखो एक कम है negative plate से. Clear? A discharge acid battery has on its plates PbSO4. A fully charged 6-cell automotive battery should indicate 12 volts, no, specific gravity of 1.290 at 32 degrees Celsius, yes, 12.6 volt, yes. So answer is B and C both. With the increase of battery temperature, gravity of electrolyte decreases. So exam में ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. With the dash of the battery temperature, gravity of electrolyte decreases. So answer is increase. Clear? An example of improved form of lead acid battery is absorbent glass mat battery. The battery which cannot be deep cycled is lead acid battery. Out of the following terms, which is not a process for recycling of batteries? So answer is deep cycling. The time required to charge a modern automotive supercapacitor is about 10 seconds. In a DC generator, magnetic field is produced in the stator. The 3 units contained in a regular for automobile DC generator are the voltage regulator, current regulator and the cutoff relay या फिर cutout relay. The frequency of a vibrating contact type regulator for DC generator is 200 per second. The charging voltage at the start of the engine is higher than when the engine is running load. तो इस पे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि the charging volume at the start of the engine is higher than when the engine is dash load, engine is running load. In an alternator, the magnetic field is produced in the rotor. An alternator frame is made up of aluminium. The number of windings in the stator of an alternator is 3. The output of an alternator is controlled by voltage regulator. A thermistor is used in an alternator regulator to compensate for temperature change. Gear reduction between the starting motor and the flywheel is about 15. Clear? In a stator motor, the field windings are wound around pole shoes. Automotive starting motors are क्या क्या है? Series wound, yes. Series shunt wound, yes. Shunt wound, no. So answer is series wound and series shunt wound. That is both A and B. The stirling torques of starting motors for car vary between 30 to 10 to 30 Newton meter. ठीक है? Inertia type drives are commonly employed in cars. Any short circuit in the armature winding may be tested with a glowworm. Continuity in the field winding can be tested with a multimeter.